Hey, this is Miss Blake. Yesterday we practiced writing fractions, decimals, and percents on a hundreds grid, and we showed how there's multiple ways to show the same information, the same number. So we're going to do that today. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get this paper, fractions, decimals, and percents, and you are going to make yourself a design, and you're going to pick 5 different colors. And you have to do different numbers of each color. So no two colors should be the same number. And I went ahead and did that. And as you can see, my numbers are quite different. So you're going to do yours. See, I don't think I can get this whole thing in the picture, but close enough. Anyways, so these are the numbers that I'm using from my picture. And I'm going to start this by purple. So in my hundreds grid, I colored 10 squares purple. So along the side here, just like I did, you're going to write what color you chose, the number of squares that are that color, and then you're going to write it as a fraction. So remember, we're talking about out of 100, so our denominator is always going to be 100. So I've got 10 out of 100 for my purple. Decimal form, 10 hundredths. Okay, so I'm going to write that as 10 in the hundredths place. And percent, I would change that. I could actually just, that would be 10%. I would move my decimal and make it a percent. But we'll talk more about that in a couple days. That back in. Whoops, that looks really weird. Sorry about that. So it's going to be 10%. All right, next up, I have my blue. So let's see, 20 of them were blue. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write it as a fraction. So I have 20 out of 100 are blue. 20% are blue, 20 per 100, so that's 20%. And if I wanted to write it as a decimal, I have 20 hundredths. So 20, and my number goes out to the hundredths place. Next up, we have green. Let's see, I have 30 that are green. So write it as a fraction by putting it over 100. And then decimal, 30 hundredths. Easy, easy. Lemon squeezy. And then percent, 30 hundredths, 30 out of 20 is 30%. As you can see, once it makes sense, it goes pretty quickly. Pink, 30, I have 35 squares that are pink, so 35 out of 100 or per 100, which would be 35 hundredths. Looks like 35 cents, and 35%. And my last one, orange, 5. So 5 out of 100 are orange. It's going to be a small percent. The decimal for that 5 hundredths. So all I need here is a 5 in the hundredths place. And for my percent for that, it's just going to be 5%. All right, so don't take a lot of time filling out your colors. We want to get into the math of this. All right, thanks a lot, guys.